So you might be wondering why I've got these milk crates in my garden here where I'm growing my peas and my beans, and a few of you have emailed me in the last couple days and asked what's eating your peas. And actually just on the way over here to do this video, we caught the culprit in action, and it's birds. Birds love these nice little tender pea shoots. They're delicious, I love them, and it's one of the reasons why I plant peas a little bit more densely and I plant them closer together, because I know as they get bigger I'm going to thin them out and I'm going to pick some of the pea shoots for myself. But birds love eating them too. So that explains why I've got these milk crates here. I didn't have any netting or chicken wire to put over top. So I just used what I had. I had these milk crates in the garage. I put them upside down. They're still getting enough light in here. But you'll see what the damage that the birds do. They pick off the leaves right as they're emerging, right as the pea shoots are emerging. And sometimes they grow through it and outlast the birds, but if the birds nibble them down right down to the soil, then your peas aren't going to make it. So you've got to try and protect them somewhere if you've got lots of birds in the area. I even tried to put a fake owl in here to see if it would scare away the birds, but he doesn't seem to be doing a very good job. And then while I'm here, I just thought I'd show you something else as well. So this is my legume garden. I've got my peas over here. I've got the beans planted in here. They haven't germinated yet, so you can't see anything. But you notice I've got these sort of teepee, these posts tied together here, and that's for the pole beans. So there's generally two different kinds of beans. There's pole beans and there's bush beans. So the pole beans are going to want to climb up, and the bush beans are going to get about this tall or so. And so I've got some pole beans planted on the north side of my garden bed here, and so that's so they don't shade out the bush beans that are going to be in front of them on that side of the garden. So we've got some pole beans in the back, some bush beans in the front, and you can see I've provided something for the peas to grow up as well, a little bit of a trellis there. I'm just going to have to find a way to block those peas, these peas here. I didn't have enough milk crates, but I'm going to have to find a way to block those peas from the birds as well.